this is a regular braid. This is if you were to braid your own natural hair. So this is just your natural hair braided. This braid here is what we would call a box braid. This is where we add extension braiding hair to the braid and we completely cover the hair from root to tip. It's typically called a box braid because we will part the hair in boxes and you will always see a knot at the top. So we use a knotted method of wrapping the hair at the base and then braiding as we move down. This one is actually a knotless braid. So basically it's this type of braid, but we use extension hair to extend the braid and thicken it as we go down. So we insert small pieces of extension hair at the base of the braid and we continue braiding from there. So that is the difference between a regular braid, a box braid, and a knotless braid. I hope that helps.